Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is me Aryavaid and you are on the channel of Medicare. So as you know that we have started the practicals of different subjects. Today we are starting the first practical of pathology, and this practical is about the normal morphology of our red blood cells. So as all of you know that our red blood cells, they are called erythrocytes, and they are carrying they are the most important types of the red blood cell, and the most percentage and the most abundant cells that are present inside our blood. So what is the function of them? As they are carrying the oxygen and transfer the oxygen throughout whole of our body. If we talk about some characteristics of it, so according to the morphology of it, so its shape is the biconcave shape. What is meant by biconcave? So shape is like biconcave. Bi means two and concave mean a concave lens, which is just like that. Okay, how it is just like a biconcave lens? Because the concave lens have the thicker edges and the thin central area. Same is the rule applied to the red blood cells. If you see the structure of a red blood cell, this is a red blood cell who have thicker edges, while the central area is very thin, just as the concave lens is. So that's why we call it as a biconcave disc shape, right? So as its central area is thin, so the color of a red blood cell is also paler here. Paler means this area, this central area of the red blood cell have less colors, just like that. So if I can show you the diagram of the red blood cell so that you can clearly see it. Okay, this is the shape of our red blood cell. This is a plate containing a lot of red blood cell inside it, and this is one red blood cell, and I have magnified it out. Now you can clearly see it that its central area is paler, as you can see here, while its edges have darker color and they are more thick, right? So this is the plasma membrane around it. This is the biconcave disc, which is about 7 to 8 micrometer in the diameter. It have a thickness here, which is its thickness, and the protein which is present and which is responsible for making it red, this protein is hemoglobin. If we talk about the average lifespan of a red blood cell, so it live for about 120 days. After that it just die. So, and normal blood count is different in males and females. So in males the red blood cell are more, they're about 5 to 7 millions, and in females it is 4 to 6. So in females everything is less there. And apparatus, if you want to see the morphology of red blood cell, you will take the microscope, you will take the sterilized needle, and you will take your fingertip, just wipe it off with the alcohol swab, and after that you just prick your finger to just take out one drop of your blood, and then you put the drop of your blood onto the micropic slide, and then after that you make you cover this slide, and then you will dry it out, and after that you will buffer it up, and then you will send it to the microscopic examination. You will observe it under microscope, and you will see red blood cells. You can clearly observe their biconcave shape, and then you will give out your result as well. So this was all about the first experiment that we have studied about the morphology of a normal red blood cells, and I hope that this video helps you a lot. And if you like this video, and please like, share and subscribe to this my video. And still if you have some confusion remain within your mind, then let me down in the comment section and I will give answer to you. Take care, meet you soon in the next lecture with the next experiment. Allah Hafiz.